Merhaba, nasılsınız? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back yet to another Turkish music reaction video. It was so nice to read all of your comments after such a long time. I missed the feeling to read your comments and see how you reacted to my reaction videos. So here we go, let's listen to another song. This time it will be Doğa İçin Çal 15. On this edition they sing two songs. The meaning about these songs are that they just bring environmental awareness to people through music. Without further ado, let the music play once again.
Karşıya çifte çamlar oy, sakız yere damlar oy oy oy oy. Karşıya çifte çamlar oy, sakız yere damlar oy oy oy oy.
Sevip alamayanın oy, zevni buz bana oy oy oy oy.
Sevip alamayanın oy, yüreğine buz bağlar oy.
That sounded very beautiful, different, and on these Doğa İçin Çal videos there's always these old instruments because these are folk songs, and I find it interesting to see them because I have no idea usually what they are, and the fact that they are singing in the forest, in the nature, and there's even cats on the scene, so it brings this nice atmosphere. So, you know, I start smiling. How can he play such a beautiful instrument with only three of those lines and made all those amazing sounds? So talented. Rice. That's the place where they make most of the Turkish tea, right? Adana kebab.
Evun altı arpalık oy, evun ne kalabalık oy oy oy oy.
Evun altı arpalık oy, evun ne kalabalık oy oy oy oy. Ah yarım sende var mıdır oy, benim gibi sevdalık oy oy oy oy.
Yarım sende var mıdır oy, benim gibi sevdalık oy oy oy oy.
Yarım sende var mıdır oy, benim gibi sevdalık oy oy oy oy.
Yarım sende var mıdır oy, benim gibi sevdalık oy oy oy oy.
I know that instrument. Finally it started to speed up the tempo a little bit. It was a little bit like listening to a story, and yeah, I'm sure when you understand the lyrics it's a beautiful story, but now this change of song or tempo I think this will be interesting.
Kızılcıklar oldu mu, selelere doldu mu hey? Gönderdiğim çoraplar ayağına oldu mu?
Mendil eline, mendil verdim geline, kara kına yollamış yar benim ellerime. Mendil eline, mendil verdim geline, kara kına yollamış yar benim ellerime.
Yaylı gelir taşlıktan, dingil çıktı başlık.
Bam! Love that.
Yaylı gelir taşlıktan, dingil çıktı başlıktan. Şu köyün olanları evlenemez başlıktan.
Mendili eline, mendili verdim geline, kara kına yollamış yar benim ellerime. Mendili eline, mendili verdim geline, kara kına yollamış yar benim ellerime. Tabakası aynalı, şu olanı varmalı hey. Olan pek güzel ama nasıl olmamalı?
Mendili eline, mendili verdim geline, kara kına yollamış yar benim ellerime.
Mendili eline, mendil verdim geline, kara kına yollamış yar beni.
Are you singing along? Are you? If I know the lyrics, I would.
Mendili eline, mendil verdim geline, kara kına yollamış yar benim ellerime.
That was it. Doğa İçin Çal 15. These Doğa İçin Çal videos have been extremely popular, but now in the past few ones, if I just see the views on YouTube, they are not so popular. So I wonder why is that? They peaked at some point, everyone reacted to them, and now they're not so popular anymore. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong, but yeah, strange. Anyway, I hope it was a nice hangout, and yeah, I'm still struggling to make these videos consistently, but I just hope that we can be like hanging out a little bit, watching, listening to one song, and that's it. Not take it too seriously. So yeah, until next video, see you there, and happy weekend. Have a good one. Bye bye.